Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create Google Cloud account. Google Cloud account help you to create RDP, virtual private server, and etc. You may also can get free credit for the Google Cloud. It will give you like a $300 free credit for your first use. So I'm going to open Google Cloud now, and I will show you how to create it. First you open your browser, and then log in your Gmail, and then go to Google Cloud. It is easy. Like I'm going to open my browser, and then going gmail.com, and then enter. But in your case, maybe you have to log in your Gmail account, and then search on Google Cloud, CLOUD, and then click on enter. Okay, here I can see it's googlecloud.com. okay, for you just go there. Okay, here you can see get 300 in free credit and free uses of 20 plus product, dream, build and transform with Google Cloud. Here you can see a get started for free button, which I already told you that you can get $300 as a free credit. Like, and what base discover your organization, so you giving you that small company. Apply for additional credit, no need. So I have read and agreed to the Google Cloud Platform Terms and Service. If you need to read this, you just click on it, and you can read all the terms and conditions. So in my case, I am not reading this. I'm closing it and then continue. So here you need a phone number for verification purpose. Okay, I got my SMS code, so then I'm putting my code and then verify it. Now it will load, and free trial. You need to verify with your actual card and ongoing working card, and it will give you free credit $300. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it will help you.